Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Who doesn't love a warm, cheesy bowl of mac and cheese? It's a classic comfort food that's a favorite for many. But what if you could take that familiar dish and give it an exciting, flavorful twist? That's where Cajun Mac and Cheese comes in. This dish blends the creamy goodness of traditional macaroni and cheese with the bold, zesty flavors of southern Louisiana. It's a way to transform a simple meal into something truly special. Get ready to discover how this unique combination creates a memorable dish. The roots of flavor, understanding Cajun cuisine. Cajun cooking is more than just food. It's a celebration of a rich cultural heritage from Louisiana. This cuisine developed from French Acadian settlers, who adapted their traditional recipes using local ingredients. This results in dishes that are hearty, rustic, and bursting with flavor. When we bring these elements into a mac and cheese, we're not just adding spice. We are weaving in a story of tradition and bold tastes. The holy trinity of Cajun cooking. Many Cajun dishes begin with a foundational aromatic base known as the Holy Trinity. This trio of vegetables includes onion, celery, and bell pepper. They are usually chopped and sautéed to create a flavorful foundation before other ingredients are added. For Cajun mac and cheese, this trinity doesn't just add a subtle taste. It provides a savory depth that supports the cheese and pasta. Think of it as the soul of the dish, giving it that unmistakable Cajun character. Key spices and seasonings. Cajun cuisine is well known for its vibrant spice blends. These spices bring both warmth and a distinctive kick to every bite. They are crucial for creating the authentic flavor profile we want in our mac and cheese. Some of the essential spices you'll find in Cajun cooking are paprika. Adds a sweet, peppery flavor and a warm red color. Cayenne pepper. Provides the signature heat that Cajun dishes are famous for. You can adjust the amount to your liking. Garlic powder and onion powder. These amplify the flavors of the fresh trinity, adding an extra layer of savory taste. Dried herbs. Thyme and oregano are commonly used, contributing earthy and aromatic notes that balance the heat. Together, these spices create a complex and inviting flavor. They transform a simple dish into an exciting culinary experience, proving that even a familiar comfort food can surprise you with new tastes. Building the ultimate Cajun mac and cheese. Now that we've explored the vibrant flavors of Cajun cuisine, it's time to merge them with the comforting goodness of macaroni and cheese. Crafting the perfect Cajun mac and cheese involves careful consideration of ingredients and techniques, ensuring every bite is rich, creamy, and packed with that signature zest. We will walk you through each step to create a dish that will impress. Choosing your cheeses, a blend for creaminess and kick. The foundation of any great mac and cheese is, of course, the cheese. For a Cajun twist, we want a blend that offers both silky meltability and a bold flavor profile. Consider combining sharp cheddar for its classic tang, Monterey Jack for its creamy texture, and a touch of smoked Gouda or pepper jack. Smoked Gouda introduces a deep, smoky note, while pepper jack delivers a subtle, welcome heat. These cheeses work together to create a complex and inviting taste. Always grate your own cheese rather than buying pre-shredded varieties. Pre-shredded cheese often contains anti-caking agents that prevent it from melting smoothly. Grating it yourself ensures a velvety, lump-free sauce that truly shines. The perfect pasta, shape and texture. The right pasta shape is essential for holding on to that delicious cheese sauce. Certain shapes are better suited for soaking up all the flavor. You want pasta that has ridges or hollows to trap the sauce effectively. Here are some excellent choices for your Cajun mac and cheese. Elbow macaroni. The classic choice, these small, curved tubes are excellent for creamy sauces. Cavatappi. These corkscrew-shaped noodles have plenty of surface area for sauce to cling to. Medium shells. Their cup-like shape scoops up and holds a generous amount of cheese sauce in every bite. No matter which shape you choose, cook the pasta al dente. This means it should be slightly firm to the bite. Since the pasta will continue to cook in the oven during baking, cooking it al dente initially prevents it from becoming mushy. This ensures a pleasant texture in your finished dish. Adding protein, meat considerations for a heartier dish. To transform your Cajun mac and cheese into a full meal, adding protein is an excellent idea. Cajun cuisine offers a variety of flavorful meats that pair wonderfully with cheese and pasta. Each option brings its own unique taste and texture. Popular Cajun proteins to consider include andouille sausage. This smoked, spicy pork sausage is a staple in Cajun cooking. Slice and brown it before adding to the dish. Crawfish tails. For an authentic Louisiana touch, sauté pre-cooked crawfish tails with a little butter and the holy trinity, onion, celery, bell pepper. Shredded chicken. Cooked and shredded chicken breast or thighs can absorb the Cajun flavors of the sauce very well. When incorporating proteins, prepare them separately first. Brown sausage or cook crawfish until just tender. Add them to the mac and cheese during the final mixing stage, before baking. This prevents them from overcooking and ensures their flavors blend without overpowering the rich cheese sauce. Crafting the roux and velvety cheese sauce. A proper roux is the secret to a smooth, thick, and flavorful cheese sauce. It's a fundamental technique in Cajun cooking and crucial for your mac and cheese. A roux is a mixture of cooked fat, usually butter and flour. Follow these steps to make a perfect roux and cheese sauce. Melt butter. In a large saucepan or Dutch oven, melt unsalted butter over medium heat. Whisk in flour. Gradually whisk in all-purpose flour until a smooth paste forms. This is your roux. Cook the roux. Continue to cook the roux, stirring constantly, for 1 to 2 minutes. This cooks out the raw flour taste. For a lighter cheese sauce, aim for a pale, blonde roux. Gradually add liquid. Slowly whisk in warm milk or a combination of milk and cream. Adding warm liquid helps prevent lumps. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth. Season the sauce. Remove the pan from the heat. Stir in your grated cheeses a handful at a time, allowing each addition to melt before adding more. This ensures a creamy texture. Season with your Cajun spices, salt and black pepper. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. The sauce should be rich, smooth, and lump-free. That's the flavor foundation. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.